guys, it's Kris. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this hair. This is Beauty Forever's Water Wave. They sent me a 16-inch water wave wig. I did cut it. It was about to here, but I cut it because I thought it was a little bit cuter, shorter. I am definitely a beginner when it comes to wigs. This is only the third wig that I've ever owned, but I really like this one. This is a lace front. The texture is water wave and the pattern is very, very pretty. All I did was co-wash it, so there's just water on it right now, nothing else. So all you need is water to get this really cute wave going on. I feel like this would be really nice vacation hair, beach vibes, you know. So this wig came off of their Amazon site. The frontal is a 13 by 4, the density is 150, and it says it was pre-plucked. I didn't pluck it at all, so this is what we're working with. I feel like I got it pretty flat. I'm kind of proud of myself because, you know, I'm a beginner out here in these wig streets. So I'm gonna just go ahead and spray it a little bit. Even though it's semi-wet, I just really love the wet look. So again, all you need is water. So underneath, I put my hair in 2 braids and then crisscross them at the back. This install was real simple. I just slipped it on, put some Got2b, used my blow dryer on cool to dry it, and that is what we're working with. This wig came from Amazon, so it shipped in 2 days, which was great. This is day 2 of me wearing this hair, and the shedding is minimal. I have gotten some shedding, but I've been like doing this a lot and combing it, just doing the most. So minimal shedding, not a big deal. When the hair dries, it is really pretty as well. I do prefer the more of the wet look because it's a little bit flatter, but when it dries, it's really pretty and it doesn't get super poofy. It does get a little bit bigger, but not too poofy. I don't like too poofy, which is kind of backwards because when I'm wearing my real hair, my natural hair is curly and I like it poofy, I like it big. When it comes to wigs, flat. As you can tell, I'm really loving this hair so far. It's also affordable. We love affordable, beautiful hair. Definitely go ahead and check out Beauty Forever. I'll go ahead and leave all the links down below. Again, this particular unit was purchased from Amazon, so make sure you check them out. This is my second time trying hair from Beauty Forever, and again, I am very pleased. That's all I have for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this wig. Do you like it, sis? How do we feel about it? Do you want a video on me installing this wig? Let me know because I can do that too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.